Now we're going to be talking about a new product of ours, the 500-pound lift. We've talked about the benefits of the 400-pound and the 600, 400 being the smaller version, 600 being the bigger one for bariatric patients. But the 500 is going to be the everyday product that most institutional customers are probably going to want to use. The reason is because of the length of the boom and the length of the base. Base opens up wide, boom long enough so when you raise the patient up, you'll have good range from the floor, bed, or chair. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up the same sling that I demonstrated earlier, the universal sling, with this lift. Now this lift is also using a different hanger bar. It's a 2-point system. So everything we're going to hook up to is the 2 points on this unit. So we're going to take the sling. We're going to go ahead and hook up the lowest loop on all of them, just to show you how high up in the air you can get with this product. All these loops go in the same set of hooks. This product also has some little clips on the end of the hanger bar. We integrated those into this hanger bar because we just wanted to be safe to make sure that sling loops wouldn't come out of the hooks. You always want to pay attention though to make sure there isn't any potential that they did slide out by accident. Okay. So now you can see that at just about the same range that we were on the 400, we can still rotate the patient around 360 degrees with limited concern about coming in contact with the actuator. So that's an important change in the design of the 500 versus the 400, which makes a huge difference for facilities. You can also see that when we need to get way up in the air, I mean, we can get up there. Not that anyone would need to get this high in a normal situation. And when we need to get down to the ground, we can get down there too. Now normally when you're doing a ground transfer, you're going to use the longest loops on the sling. This is the loops are the very shortest. So even at the very shortest position, you can still see we can almost touch the ground with the patient. So in the longest ones, the patient could be laying completely flat on the ground with their feet facing away from the lift, and we can still raise the patient up without any concern about the patient straddling the lift base or being in contact with the device at all. So it makes it much easier for the caregiver to operate a floor transfer with this product.